Welcome back to Ben's Garage. It is another glorious day on the Mad Dog farm. Now the reason I'm out here is because the Hobbit wants me out of the house. As you know, previous videos, we've been doing the hallway. She wants to gloss the door frames. I've got a habit of bumping into door frames, touching them and stuff as I'm coming through in the wheelchair. So the best thing for me to do is to get right out of her way while she's doing that. So I thought, get up into the garage, we're going to get on with the Audi. Today I'm going to be getting on the floor and we're going to fit this. So, I'm going to get the intercooler bolted. I've got to bolt the oil cooler onto the back of this, get it fitted back underneath the wheel arch, get it all connected up. Then it'll be a case of getting the bumper all back on, getting everything underneath done so we can drop it back down to the floor and I can get on with the top half. I'm going to get down on the floor now. I've got to get some tools sorted out. I can't remember what tools I used to take it off. There's not a lot, it's not that involved, it's just a bit fiddly. Sort some tools out and we'll see you down here on the floor with the other camera. First up, I'm going to put these rubber bungs up here. This is what the intercooler sits in. So there's a bracket here. That bung just pushes into there, and that one goes into there. There is one down the bottom there, but I think it might be different, you know. But I've got the old one here, so I'll see if that fits in. Right, this is the oil cooler, and that just bolts onto the bottom of the intercooler. So what I might have to, I can't remember how this goes in. If it goes in like that, because it did actually come out in pieces. Right, I just want to get the other one started before I tighten that up too much. I'm trying to support the intercoolers because I don't want to put any strain on these pipes. Right, so that's the oil cooler on. I'm thinking now, and it might have to come in from the top. Oh shit. Oh dear. It's in. Oh, what a job I've had with that. I think really you're supposed to take a bit more of the car off. I've taken the headlight out. I tried jiggling it in place, but what I had to do is put the oil cooler up there first and then jiggle it in, bolt the oil cooler to it, and then I was having a job getting, there's some like little rubber bungs that the intercooler sits in and clicks in on the bottom. The Hobbit came out and fresh hands, fresh eyes, and it went straight in, didn't it? Still, I'm going to get these pipes on now, put the headlight back in, put this, which just directs the air, so that just clips on there, but I'll do that in a minute when I've got the pipes back on. So I'll get these two bottom pipes on and get all this done, and I'll be back with you. Headlights back in. Well, it's a bit wobbly, it's not bolted down at the top, but the bumper covers these bolts up. The air scoop, which directs air from the thing on the bumper into the intercooler, that just clips on. Pipes underneath are done. We're about ready to get the bumper back on. I'm going to go and do the other side because there's a tricky bit over there. So I'm just going to move some of these tools out of the way, and with the help of the Hobbit, see if we can get this bumper back in place, and then I can carry on. What a load of bollocks. Got the intercooler on, we're struggling with this bumper. So we're going to come out another day when we're fresh. So that video will continue in a day or so's time. So we've finally got this bumper back on. We've been messing about for days with this. We was really struggling, and then we got it on and we couldn't get one side on. So I thought, sod it, we'll just leave it and come back out to it fresh. When we came back out to it fresh, we couldn't get the bumper back off. So I've taken a few more bits off the cart, we've taken the headlights out, which makes the job a little bit easier. And it turns out on the other side, there's a bit of rubber that sits over around the intercooler, which directs the air. That had got wedged up the wrong side of something and we couldn't push the bumper in. Of course, with the headlights still in, which I think you're supposed to take out to remove the bumper, we couldn't see down in there. So we was just fighting one piece of bloody rubber. So that's it for this video. I'm going to get it all boxed up, dropped on the floor, and then we'll get the top all wrapped up and get it fired up and see what difference this intercooler and the N75 valve does. So, to be continued. We'll catch you in the next Audi video. Bye for now.